We have found through our years of experience creating millions of patient visits and seeing chiropractors grow by $500 million growth and creating hundreds of millions of media impressions around the world with the branding of the 100-Year Lifestyle, we have found that we are definitely in an age of branding where branding matters. And what we know about the chiropractic brand is that it is completely confusing. People have no clue what it is. They Google it, Wikipedia it, go to the ACA, all the different places that they go. They just search it, and all they see is a mishmash of what chiropractic is, and they are confused like crazy. That's why having a brand that cannot be diluted, it does several things. Because it cannot be diluted, then it keeps you and your practice out of the crap box, the mishmash of the chiropractic confusion that's in the world, providing a branded message that is compelling. And so you keep people out of the mishmash, out of the crap box. The next thing that we found with branding, why the branding matters, is that we have found that when you brand it, people demand it. That branding makes things demanding. It simplifies things. It makes things demanding. We have seen people implement the 100-Year Lifestyle branding in their community, and all of a sudden their web traffic goes up. Their Google hits go up. They climb on the search engine optimization through the resources we provide. They get more people coming in from their website. They get more referrals. They get more lifetime patient commitments in a 2-minute report of findings than they used to get with a 30-minute report of findings or an hour lecture, because that 2 minutes is backed up by a branding that is compelling, that's endorsed by the top athletes, top performers, and top business leaders in the world. So you can either create your own brand that's compelling, or if you wanted to, you could link up with the 100-Year Lifestyle brand with the family practice. As we also, the next benefit of this branding is that branding together, we can accomplish so much more because we're delivering a unified, non-dilutable message about chiropractic and how to participate it in every single community.